I have a little gift for you, bride. Go ahead and open it. Oh. Oh, actually, there's a flap right in the middle. There.
Oh, wow.
Here, come sit.
You know the funny thing is, I got myself this.
You did?
Yeah.
Aww.
This is good. I haven't read it, so this is perfect. Yeah. Oh, wow, yes. I'll be using this tonight.
Yes.
Oh my God, nice.
That's why I said, look. Oh, it matches your script on your shirt.
I'll be writing this right now. Oh, thank you. It's super nice. So I'll put this on right now.
All right. Yay.
And I got, and I got slippers. I feel like we're on the same wavelength.
Yes, we are. Look at that.
I'm going to wear these tonight. These are already like flat. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Way to start the weekend. Today, didn't we? What did we compromise on?
Timing of makeup, the amount of makeup we do. So we did a bit of foundation, we skipped out on the airbrushing. We compromised on the length of the lashes. The look is exactly what I wanted, so thank you so much.
Yay! And you look gorgeous, so I'm really happy. Ooh, yes. Yes. And we have an awesome Instagram reel that we filmed for you because you are a dancer. Yay! Oh my God, I'm gonna send it to you.
Yay! I'm super excited. I'm gonna share it. It's gonna go viral.
Yay! Say hi, Mehul. Hey guys, this is Mehul. He's the photographer working the wedding today. He's awesome. He's great to work with. This is the behind the scenes that goes into all the setups so that the bride can have the perfect shots for her getting ready. We love natural light, which is why we're here. But look at these guys are not only professional cinematographers and photographers, but they also are furniture people. Look at all. Legit, they always move furniture, which is good to have that manpower. Say hi, good morning, bride. Hi. Bride and bride to be. Yes, she does. She holds many.
Sister of the bride and then a bride herself.
Yes, exactly.